Hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I crimp my hair. Now starting at the back of this wig, as you can see, I've just taken out a row. I'm going to go ahead and section this hair into two pieces. I'm then going to go in with my Got2b spray as a substitute for a holding spray or some sort of spritz. I didn't have any of the other two products, hence why I'm using this. Now, considering I'm using a Got2b spray, it really did help to just hold the crimps into place for a maximum of 2 to 3 days. Now, I do believe I kept the crimps on the hair for say 10 to 12 seconds for it to give me that really nice crimped look. And then after I've done that, I've just followed the pattern going down. Now you will find as you get nearer to the end that you won't need to keep the crimps on the hair for that 10 to 12 seconds. In fact, you need to keep it on there for half the time as the hair does get a lot thinner. Okay, so now what I'm going to go and do is comb the hair through again. I actually forgot to spray the hair, you guys, but moving on, I'm just going to apply the crimps on there for 10 to 12 seconds and then release it. Now where you see that bend is where it indicates to you where the crimps need to go next. And then you're just going to follow this pattern going all the way down. Okay, so there goes the first row. So now what I'm going to go and do is unclip the hair and get another row. You definitely do not want the row to be thick. You guys, you want it to be on the, say, thin to medium size. So yeah, begin sectioning it, combing it through, apply your holding spray. Mine is the Got2b because that's all I had at the time. And then apply your crimps following those patterns for the next section. So I have to be very honest with you all, crimping your hair is definitely time consuming, whether you are crimping your own hair or a wig, but the end result, you guys, is absolutely beautiful. I love the crimped look. I would highly recommend that you purchase a holding spray as it will hold the crimps in place for say 2 to 3 days before they then drop into a body wave look. Okay, so we've now reached the front of this wig. This is a 13x4 frontal wig, if I haven't already mentioned before. And I'm just going to be using the pointed part of my comb and just take out a section of the hair, a row of the hair. And I'm literally just gonna comb it through, spray it again, and begin using the crimps from the top of the hair all the way down. So there you have it, you guys. I'm just going in one more time with that spray for that extra hold, and this is the finished look. I really do hope that you all enjoyed this video on how I crimp my hair. Please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe if you'd like to see more content from myself. See you guys in my next one. Bye.